Our top story this morning, the Biden administration will begin sharing its entire inventory of AstraZeneca vaccines with the rest of the world as soon as they are approved by the U.S. drug regulator. Across the Atlantic, Germany aims to let anyone who wants to get the COVID-19 vaccine to do so by June. Hyo-sun has more.
Washington says it will be sharing 60 million doses of AstraZeneca's COVID-19 vaccine with other countries struggling to fight the pandemic.
The administration is looking at options to share American-made AstraZeneca vaccine doses during the next few months. Given the strong portfolio of vaccines that the United States has already authorized and available in large quantities, including two-dose vaccines and one-dose vaccine.
Although no details have been disclosed as to where the vaccines will be heading, the White House explained that it will begin shipping them out in the coming months after it carries out federal safety reviews. The U.S. had decided earlier last month to lend some 4 million AstraZeneca vaccines to Canada and Mexico, but this is the first time the country has indicated that it will be sharing such a large bulk with other countries around the world. The decision comes as some 42% of the total U.S. population have received at least one dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, with some 28% of them fully vaccinated, according to the U.S. CDC. Over in Germany, which is significantly behind with vaccinations compared to major countries like the U.S. and Britain, Chancellor Angela Merkel said Monday that the government will exert efforts to roll out vaccines to everyone by June.
And by and large, we assume that in priority group 3, the first vaccination can take place throughout May so that we can then, depending on how many vaccine doses we get, give up the prioritization from June at the latest.
She added people who have been fully immunized will be granted more freedom, such as being able to go shopping and visiting hairdressers. Germany is scheduled to receive 80 million doses from drug makers in the second quarter of the year. The country's inoculation campaign got off to a slow start in December, but it began to pick up speed significantly in recent weeks. Approximately 23% of its population had received at least one dose by Sunday, with about 7% receiving both shots. Hyo-sun, Arirang News.